So we have a question over here from a disk of mass m. So we have a disk having mass m and radius r. A small disk of radius r by 2, okay, is removed as shown. Find the I or remaining part about the axis passing through and perpendicular. Okay, so let's solve this question. So this is the ring, and we know that there is axis passing through the center and perpendicular to the plane. Means if you consider this as the ring, so we are talking this way, that is perpendicular to this and passing through the center. Okay, and we have a small ring that is cut out from this section. Okay, this radius of this section is r by 2 and the radius of entire will be r. What is the mass of the entire ring? That is m. What is the mass of this one? So let's solve that. First of all, m divided by pi r square, mass per unit area, is equal to m dash upon pi r square by 4 is the area of this section. So pi r square cancel out, m dash becomes 4m. Okay, so actually this is m by 4. This will be what? M by 4. This is the value of mass. Mass is m by 4. So now we have calculated both the things. What is the moment of inertia of the entire body? That is m r square by 2. That is the center of mass for the disk we have. Okay, I, moment of inertia for the disk about center passing perpendicular axis. Okay, and what is the moment of inertia of the cut section? Means this cutting disk about this axis, the perpendicular axis, that is m is m by 4, r is r by 2, mr square by 2. Okay, the formula remains the same, mr square by 2, because this is also the disk. So this becomes mr square by 2 multiplied by, this becomes 4 4 is 16. What is this value equal to? I cut is equal to what? I divided by 16. But they are asking of the overall body, means this section and this is cutted portion. Now we just have remaining this section. Of this remaining section about the perpendicular axis passing through the center. That's what they are asking. So we just minus them, mr square by okay, and we have mr square by 2 minus mr square by 32. Okay, so what we are getting with, okay, that is the actually, first of all, before that we just need to do one more thing. That is, we need to calculate the center of mass of this cut section, about this axis, about point P I am saying. Okay, about P point. This is what we have calculated about M. Okay, we have calculated this is IM and this is IP. Now we have to calculate the moment of inertia of this cut disk about point P. For that, the moment of inertia of cut section is mr square by 32 plus m is m by 4 and r by 2 square. So this becomes mr square by 32 plus m into r square. So this becomes mr square by 16. So 32 will be the LCM and 16 to the, so this becomes 3 mr square by 32. Now we'll minus the entire body, one is mr square by 2 minus this 3 mr square by 32. Okay, taking the LCM as 32, so this becomes 16 minus 3 mr square. So this becomes 13 by 32 mr square. That's our final answer for the question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.